In this video, I'll be going over how to port maps from Marvel Rivals into Blender in under 1 minute. For this, you'll need Rivals porting. If you don't have it downloaded already, I'll link a video in the top right corner. I think. Right, left, I don't know. But let's get right into it. First off, come to Files, this tab here, Marvel, Content, Marvel, Maps. For this one, I'm just going to choose the practice range, and then find the one that's just the .u map. This works for any map as well, so if you just come to this one, you'll see just the .u map there. And this port is going to be pretty large, and you can't port it in chunks, sadly, not yet at least. So, I dropped my mouse, wait. Once it's finished porting, just come into Blender, and you'll see everything here. It's going to be really slow, especially since my computer isn't that good. Yep, this is everything, the background, the map. Yep, that's pretty much it. Goodbye.